Good morning, everybody. This is Jerome Griffin. You've probably seen me hanging around on the different channels on BBS Market for the past couple of weeks, but mainly I hang out over on this crypto banner channel because these guys are amazing at getting new information out to the public on cryptos and everything involved with cryptos. This will help your portfolios hopefully grow exponentially in 2022, and then we can then go out and pay that forward to other folks and just spread this and have an amazing 2022 together. So the purpose of my video today is to teach you just a little quick video here about how to use the banner system. Okay, folks, what you want to do is go to your profile, which is this little icon here of your picture. In the upper right hand corner, hit view profile. In here, you can edit your banner by hitting banner, and this is how you edit your banner. By default, this will be just a generic link to saying maybe come visit my profile or whatever. But we want to maximize the usage of this ad banner here. This is especially useful for someone like me that has a couple of NFT collections that I need to get the awareness out, and so this is really useful for somebody like me. Uh, of course, you can spice it up and make it go to your profile on BBS and maybe add a photo here that looks really cool. But anyway, I'm going to get into that real quick. You will hit the edit button, which is the pencil paper icon, and it'll bring up where you can upload your banner. What you want to do is click that, and you can go through and pick your banner, which I already have, but I'm going to do it again. And then, of course, go down here and edit the text that's going to show up down here in your advertisement. Type that in. And then lastly, put the link that you want people to click on and go to that right there and save. And that's all you do to get your banner rolling. Now, how do you implement this banner? Well, go down to your leasing and then click the edit button. And as most of us have learned, the minimum CPM. I've got a post about that if you want to learn more about what CPM is over on the Banter BBS. I'll put a link to that in the description also. But most of us are putting 50 because that is what the main people at Meta BBS has been paying to lease our ads, and that's the maximum that they have set. But what I'm going to show you is a little trick here. You can uncheck lease your banner space on your post that you own. If you uncheck this, it is going to put your ad on any post that you own. And that is a cheap way to get ad space. You don't have to go through the whole leasing and depositing your cash out value money and all that stuff if you don't have to. That's pretty much for people that do not want to participate a lot, and they just want advertising on our page, just like the Meta BBS people are doing. So what I do is I click lease it, but what I do is I raise this value. You want to raise it as high as it'll let me, above the 50. Somewhere, wherever it'll let you, above the 50. That way, if they were to want to increase that, then fine, I will go ahead and let them lease my ad space. But I'm going to put it above the minimum bid of 50, just so my advertisement will show. So click save. There you go. So any post that I own now will be showing my banner unless somebody bids over that 80 CPM. And I'm going to show you how I actually generated revenue this morning within 5 minutes of doing this on Crypto Man Rand's post that he posted this morning. I'm not going to shield my collection and all that right here, but I'm going to show you how I generated some income this morning. So what I did, Crypto Man Rand posted his post this morning, and I was doing this, not this actual video, but the same video, and I got interrupted by a message, and I'm glad I did. My good friend here on BBS, Luke, sent me a message and told me that Crypto Man Rand had posted a post, and I am so glad he did because I got to grab that post before it ran way high. And of course, I'm still the happy owner of it right now, so my ad's still being shown to several people. So what I did was, Mr. Crypto Man Rand has made his post the way everybody should be doing their post to generate the most ad revenue. is you make it to where you have to click. This is the main feed. You make your post to where you have to click through to read the articles or whatever you're doing. That way, people, you don't get the ad revenue until you click on this, because this is a view now. And this, of course, if this was the BBS people that are paying the 50 CPMs, I would have just made a nickel. Um, so I'm just telling you, that's the way you need to make your post. And that's the post I purchase, is the post that I know are going to get click throughs. And I know Crypto Man Rand's posts are going to get click throughs because his posts are very valuable to our community. So, guys, keep posting very valuable posts here. But anyway, I digress. What happened this morning was I purchased Crypto Man Rand's post. I had my advertisement showing, and someone must have clicked through to my NFT collection, and I actually made a sale this morning on Living Water number 23. I really appreciate whoever purchased that. If you're in the BBS community, please give me a shout out, send me a message. I want to very much thank you. Uh, Most of the proceeds from the Living Water collection are going to paying it forward to people in my community that needs things, and I work with the homeless, and I'll give you more information about all that sometime later in a later video. But anyway, God bless you, whoever bought this. It sold pretty quick this morning, right after I posted that ad on the Crypto Banner BBS page. So this is an amazing place that is going to explode. It is very new, so it's going to get even better, folks. But this is how the ad banner system over on the Crypto Banner BBS market thing here is going to work, and it's super awesome, man. And I just wanted to share that information with you guys and hope that it's helped you. If it helps anybody, please give me a message, a shout out, whatever, a like. I don't beg for likes and stuff, but it does help generate income here on the BBS market. All likes and comments help, and comments help push our post up. So if you see someone such as Crypto Man Rand's post, please comment on it, please like it. That keeps it above all the trash that some people try to post that we don't want to really see, but that pushes up the good posts. We appreciate each and every one of you guys for hanging out and making this new technology amazing for all of us. And I know I am so super excited about 2022. I know a lot of us are going to make life-changing money that will be paid forward. And appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you. Have a very, very blessed day.